Joe, you can test.
Okay.
No. B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, P, R, S,
2003 is when he unveiled the new logo. Okay.
W, R, X, Y.
And that's when Nike came out with the TW stuff. Alright.
I know my A, B, C.
Well, then maybe my theory's blown, because the other person that has gone completely haywire since he started wearing his own hat was Andy Roddick. Yeah. Once he started wearing his own hat,
It's just that you guys trying to keep up with each other.
X, Y, and Z.
I'm just curious.